Hi guys, welcome to Attend to Learn YouTube channel. As you know, I am Deepu. In this video, we are going to design navbar using HTML and CSS. So without any wasting of time, let's get start. Open the new folder here. Here is our file and images are available. Let's close it. Now open the VS Code. Here is the HTML and CSS file available. Now add first boilerplate and come to title and edit title navbar. Now come to body, create first div navbar. Create second div container. Create third div and add one image src my photo logo. Use UL tag and create one anchor tag. Create one div here, class name items, and duplicate it. Now edit here. First write man, second woman, third kids, fourth home, fifth beauty, and sixth one is a studio, and here you have nav new. Now open your live server, and here is all the texts and images are available showing here. Now come to HTML file and create one div, class name search box, and take an input tag and take a placeholder attributes and write something text as which you want to use here. I write search a product and brands and more anything. Now come to next line and create one anchor tag and go open the live server and go to new tab and go visit on this website and search icon, go to site icons and search here, search. Here is icons of search and copy this code and come to here, come to HTML file and paste it here. Now come to head office and add in script here. Now see your icons is visible here. Now come to next line, create one div icons and come to this website and again search user. Here is a user icon, copy it and paste it here. Now close it. Now again search whitelist. Now whitelist here, copy it and paste it here. Now again come this website and write cart. Here copy this cart and paste it here. Now see all the icons available showing in our web pages. Now come to HTML file and select a CSS file and select universal selector, border sizing, border box, margin 0, padding 0. Now again select the navbar class name and give some padding 5 pixels, 0 pixels. Now come to HTML file and link here CSS file, link and write their file name, CSS file name nav.css and come to a CSS file. Now select container box and give some properties, display flags, gap 110 pixels, background color, give some color code for background as your choice, give some paddings 18 pixels, 0 pixels, 0 pixels and 25 pixels from left. Now it is not working, here is a spelling error. Now correct it. Now it's work. Now it's erase this green and it's work. Come to this, now it's working. Erase this green. Now select image. Now here is a give one ID for image, id.image and right it here and select it and give some properties with 15%, height 50 pixels, positions relative, and top minus 8 pixels, left 40 pixels. Now see, image look like goods. Comes to now select UL tag, then items tag, items, and anchor tag. Now give some properties. Here is the items, select it and paste it here, and now give some properties. Text decoration none, display flex, gap will be 25 px, and justify content center. Now color, give some color code, it's black. Now font family, sin Arial, give us some font family like Safari मैंने दिया given. Then looks like the text look like this type, and come to CSS file and again select the items and border radius, border button 50 pixels solid red. Now see, there's some color line is coming here. Now give a hover effect for it. Here is space, edge is space. Now it's working smoothly. Now give width 110 pixel percent and height 50%. Now see, it very good properly. Now come to HTML file and here add id some studio and give some taxes in the center. Come to here and write studio, yes, and erase this line. Okay, looks look good. Now come to a CSS file and select studio ID and position give relative, left minus 20 pixels, and select another div is search box, give z index 3 and position will be relative. Now left 25% and bottom 24 px. Now see, it's look very good, but some changes here, and also tag I, here is a come in search box. Now come to and select input tag, width 300 pixels, 35 pixels. Now see, it's like very good. Position will be relative, left 80 pixels, z index 2, and border radius will be 10 pixels and border none. Now it's look very good, and there is some curve here. Now select input and give some hover effect, and give some input and select placeholder, and position will be relative, left 15 pixels, color, give some color code for this RBG 176, 177, 176 pixels, and font size 15 pixels. Now see, this text looks very good. Now select these icons and edit in CSS file, position relative, right 5% and top 7%. Now font size 22 pixels. Display will flex. Gap 23 pixels and cursor will be pointer. Now see, looks like it's all look like good. Now come to HTML file and give some ID here to all the icons. ID, whitelist. Now select this ID and come to a CSS file, hash, and select this ID and give some over effect for it. Color code RBG 248 2 and 2. Now see, it's work properly. And arrange this new. Select soup tag and color will be red. Give some positions relative and left 20 pixels and top -8 pixels. Now it's the correct positions. Now it's look like very good navbar and it's something writing and it's look like very good. Thank you for watching.